हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम आए हैं टू अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेस इन हिस्ट्री विच इज़ द ऑशविच कैंप एंड हमने गाइडेड टूर लिया है। अगर आपने पिछला व्लॉग देखा होगा हमारा तो आपको पता है कि हमारे फ्रेंड्स आए हुए हैं। हम लोग सॉल्ट माइन एंड ऑशविच कैंप कवर कर रहे हैं। सो आज हम आपको दिखाते हैं दिस प्लेस विच होल्ड्स अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेस इन आवर हिस्ट्री एंड हाउ millions of people were murdered and tortured in this place.
This vlog will be
Kind of a different
one. हम लोग पहुँच गए हैं ऑशविट्ज़ एंड यहाँ पे आप देखो तो दिस इज़ द पार्किंग स्पॉट एंड यहाँ से एंट्री होता है। यहाँ बाकायदा प्रॉपर सिक्योरिटी एंड देन हम लोग अंदर जाने मिलेगा। अभी हम लोग एंटर कर रहे हैं एंड वी हैव गॉट आवर ऑडियो गाइड्स। सो बेसिकली आपके टूर गाइड के पास एक माइक्रोफोन है। ये एक लॉन्ग एली है जहाँ पे हमें वॉक करके जाना है एंड यहाँ पे स्पीकर्स में कंटिन्यू सबके नाम सुनाई दे रहे हैं जो लोग यहाँ पे कंसंट्रेट किए गए थे।
कि ग्रुप के साथ हमेशा एक नॉलेजेबल गाइड होता है जो अगर आपके पास कोई भी क्वेश्चंस है वो आंसर कर सके। एज वी स्टेप थ्रू द गेट्स ऑफ ऑशविट्ज वी वर इमीडिएटली स्ट्रक बाय द हार्श रियलिटी ऑफ दिस प्लेस। द वर्ड्स आर्बिट्माइश फ्री, The work will set you free. It's a chilling reminder of the false hope जो लोगों को दिया गया था जो इस गेट को एंटर कर रहे थे। Jews around the world were brought to this camp with just an agenda to kill and to torture them. They would have not walked to this camp if they knew what was happening. They were promised new home, work, food, so they packed their bags, wrote their names on the bags to start a new life. They were transported in train barracks filled with hundreds of people, out of many died by the lack of food, water and air. But the moment they reached here, they knew something is wrong. People were segregated on the basis of gender, age and usage criteria of how they can use them for their benefits. But with this, differently abled women, sick, were of no use to them and so inhumanly murdered in gas chambers. But they wanted to make use of these people too, and they knew Jews were rich, so they took the gold tooths, ornaments, glasses, all they could, including shaving the women and taking their hair to make garments and rip off their pride. These are 25,000 pair of shoes, just one day collection. Initially they used to photograph all the prisoners that came to Auschwitz, but later they only photographed Germans and selected prisoners. They have some of the photos that have been attached in the alley. These were the uniforms of the prisoners. People who were no use to them were gathered together and shot blindly in these areas. In this camp, there were many barracks that had many different information. In this one, we saw a room of the general who used to take a call of the judgment. They also discriminated between the prisoners. The German prisoner or the German soldiers who were under trials lived in the room like this and stay tuned till the end to see how were Jews kept. These were the gas chambers where so many people were killed. They say that the Jews were thrown naked here and prayed for their faith. The sprinklers used to either throw water to clean them or gases to kill them. And after every batch, the soldiers used to clean the chambers so the next batch had no idea of what had happened. The bodies were overlapped on each other and thrown in this chimney to burn them and leave no proof of existence.
You can see these are the different barracks जहाँ पे लोगों को रखा जाता था. When there was no work, they were asked to crush these stones, which is not at all a work, but just to drain out them and keep them busy.
While I was editing this video, a thought came to my mind. क्या किसी ने रिवोल्ट नहीं किया? एंड वाई जब हम ये प्लेसेस जा रहे थे हमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा नाम देखने को नहीं मिले जिन्होंने रिवोल्ट किया था या जो फ्रीडम फाइटर्स थे उनका नाम नहीं देखने मिला. सो मैंने घर पे आके व्हाट आई डिड वाज आई रिसर्च्ड अबाउट देम एंड देन आई फाउंड आउट सम ऑफ द स्टोरीज जो आई थॉट ऑफ शेयरिंग इट विद यू. वन ऑफ सच ब्रेव इवेंट वाज सोंडर कैमाडो. बेसिकली यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था, कुछ प्रिजनर्स ने मिल के क्रेमेटेरियम 4 को उड़ा दिया था यूजिंग बॉम्ब्स एंड दैट वाज अ रिमार्केबल इवेंट बिकॉज काफ़ी लोगों को पता चला था कि दे आर रिवोल्टिंग एंड काफ़ी वुमेन का उन्होंने लाइफ बचाया था बाय एक्सप्लोडिंग
the crematorium 4, and yes, it was marked as a very historic point due at that time. But most of the prisoners जिन्होंने ये explosion किया था were killed, but the people knew that they were revolting. And not forgetting to mention Witold Pilecki. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly, because he was a Polish fighter who went inside the Auschwitz camp to gather information, gather intelligent report, and share it to the army so that they could help and take people out of Auschwitz. So yes, he was indeed a brave man to go in when he knew what he was going into. ये सारी stories ऑस्कर शिंडलर के बिना तो incomplete है. We all know how he saved lives of so many Jews being a German. So we are going to create a video separately for Schindler Factory in upcoming days. And seriously हम लोग वहाँ पे जाकर आए थे and we felt that ये ऐसा म्यूजियम है जहाँ हर किसी को जाना चाहिए if you are coming to Krakow, because इतनी सारी information है about the war, about Oskar Schindler, how he saved so many Jews and what was the intention behind them. So yes, stay tuned for that video. And I thought ये सारी information आपको बताना काफ़ी ज़्यादा important है, because we were not knowing this and we researched it, and so that's why I'm sharing with you. I hope कि it gives you a little information. Now let's go back to the video. People who used to revolt were killed in mass, and they were killed in front of everybody at the center to send a clear message to all. Auschwitz could not hold a lot of prisoners, so they created Birkenau camp. यही है वो प्लेस जहाँ पे ट्रेन्स रुका करती थी एंड एक्चुअली सिलेक्शंस हुआ करते थे ना. अगर आपने बहुत सारी वर्ल्ड वॉर की मूवीज़ देखी हो तो ये शॉट आपको हमेशा मूवीज़ में देखने को मिलेगा. And yes, coming here and seeing this is it's not about having a good experience, but knowing कि what all happened.
अभी हम लोग एंटर कर रहे हैं अब एक वन ऑफ द कैंप्स जो कि पहले यूज़ किया जाता था. एंड दिस चेम्बर्स डिडंट हैव एनी लाइट, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रे ऑफ सनलाइट विच यूज्ड टू cater the light. And as you can see, this is so dark. So this is all original wood, and ये all पहले के टाइम का है जहाँ पे लोग सोया करते थे. एंड यू कैन सी हाउ डिफ़िकल्ट इट वाज. जस्ट 100 मीटर्स के बगल में गैस चैम्बर है, एंड स्लीपिंग हियर वाज लाइक अ नाइटमेयर. As you can see, this fields, this barracks, all reminds of the time that was really bad.
Sometimes I feel it's not important कि आपका हर एक जगह पे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हो, आपको कुछ ऐसा देखने ये हो. It's more on what people went through, and it's devastating. I mean, इतना बुरा मुझे ना और बुरा नहीं हो सकता था. I think humanity took a backstage when all these things were happening.
This is the ruins of the gas chamber, and this was destroyed क्योंकि वो लोग कोई भी एविडेंस छोड़ना नहीं चाहते थे. ये वो प्लेस है जहाँ पे इनका एक मेमोरियल बना रखा है. And this is the place where actually the gas chambers were, and which was destroyed by the Nazis, and they wiped out everything so that there are no traces. Sharing my experience, it was very hard to listen about the history.
So Premisha, what was your experience?
This is one of the saddest places I have ever been to. It's very heart-wrenching, devastating, overwhelming at the same point, and yeah, you should definitely get to know the history, so I will definitely recommend everybody to come and pay a visit at least to get a glance on how brutal the history was.
Yes, हम लोग, like Premisha said, it's a must place to come and to know your history. And yes, अगर आप Krakow के आजू बाजू में हो and you're visiting Krakow, please come here.